to you. They say it's your birthday.
Ayan. Hello, Mami Helen in Germany. Kakantahan kita. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, surprise. Mami, gusto naming mapasaya kayo ngayong araw na to. So, sit back and relax. Meron ako mga videos na ipapakita sa iyo galing sa ating mga kaibigan sa YT, mga messages nila, birthday greetings para sa iyo, at saka yung mga pictures natin para sa ating mga iba't ibang jamming. Okay? Love you, Mommy. Just sit back and relax. Love you. Happy birthday ulit. Afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Ayan, may gusto lang po akong batiin na isang napakamahalagang kaibigan, ayan, na nakilala ko sa YT. Ayan, at maraming salamat at nakilala kita sa YT. Ayan, kaya ito ang para sa'yo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sister Helen in Germany. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ito ang wish ko po sa'yo. Ayan, sana po umaba pa po ang inyong buhay. Marami pa po kayong maging birthday. Ayan, at sana po lagi po kayong patnubayan ni God. At sana po lagi kayong ligtas sa anumang mga sakit at kapahamakan. Ayan, at sana po bigyan pa po kayong ni God ng maraming magandang blessing. Ayan, at sana po marami pa po kayong marating. Ayan, sana po wag po kayong magbago sa amin. Ayan, nagpapasalamat ako at nakilala kita sa YT. Ayan, na mabait at matulungin. Ayan, kaya sana po wag po kayong magbago. Ayan, sana po hindi na po kayo magkakasakit. Ayan, sana po makasama mo ng habang buhay ang iyong pamilya. Ayan, at sana po wala pong iwanan. Ayan. Thank you at nakilala kita. Ayan, thanks God. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday po. I love you. Ayan. I love you very, very much. My dear sister in Helen in Germany. Happy birthday po. Bye.
Hello, agoy, happy birthday, happy birthday. Helen in Germany, Mami Helen, happy birthday. Biglaan ni pagkahatag na to greetings. Ato sa likod ani sa atong store. May gani naka-break time ta. Nakahatag ta greetings ron Mami Helen. Ang wish na ko sa imo, more birthdays to come. Stay strong, wag pabayaan ang sarili kasi medyo may kaedadan idara na takaron ay labulol hinoon. Peace. Huwag magkalimutan na magampo ta, magdasal. Pray always and keep safe. Wish you a happy birthday and God bless. Much love, God bless Ate Helen. Babush.
Ayan, so gusto ko lang sabihin kay Mami Helen in Germany, Mami, happy birthday! I love you, mahal na mahal kita. Ayan, so lagi lang Mami mag-iingat, and then, ayun, mahal nga kita Mami. So, yun, love na love kita Mami. Happy birthday! Enjoy your day! Love you, bye-bye! Love you!
Hello sa among inahan nga gwapa kaayo. Ug lami pa mo kanta. Happy birthday Mami Helen. More birthday to come. I love you with the love of the Lord. God bless. Bye.
Hi Mami Helen, happy birthday! Yan, katatapos ko lang magluto. Tingnan mo. May luto ako dong cupcake at saka donut. Yan, homemade yan. Tsaka ito cupcake. Yan. I wish you all the best. Long life, stay healthy, stay happy, and stay beautiful. Sana marami ka na ma-inspire, nakakanta at beberit pa tulad sa akin, na-inspire mo ko ha, na hindi ko alam noon na marunong pala akong kumakanta kasi ako kumakanta lang ako sa sa simbahan lang talaga ako kumakanta. Pero ngayon, bumibirit na, di ba? Sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang panahon para marami ka pang ma-inspire tulad sa akin. Once again, happy birthday! Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Hello po, Mami Helen. Happy birthday po sa iyo, and nagpapasalamat po ako sa iyo na inampun mo ako bilang isang anak mo dito sa YT. Kahit minsan na hindi ako nakapag-suporta sa iyo, at alam mo yan, busy ako. Wish ko sa iyo more to come birthday, and sana mahaba pang pagsasama natin dito sa pagwa-YT natin bilang mag-ina. Ayan. Thank you, and lagi ka po mag-iingat, Mami. Andito lang po kami, laging sumuporta sa iyo sa pagwa-YT at pagkantahan na lagi akong nakanta sa LS kahit saan, kahit sa inyo, kahit alam kong wala sa tono. Pero malakas ang loob ko kasi nandyan kayo bilang mga mami ko. Kaya God bless Mami, and happy birthday again. Love. I love you more.
Hello po Mami Helen. Ayan, ito po si OFW Live 21. Bumabati sa ina. Happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday ang abutin mo, Mami. I love you. At salamat din po sa lagi mong pagsuporta. At wish ko po sa iyo, Mami, marami pang birthday ang dumating sa iyong buhay. good health, syempre, good health, Mami Helen. Wish ko sa iyo na sana in good health lagi at masaya. Ayan, wish ko din sa iyong channel, more power and more views. Syempre, more dollars. Okay, Mami, happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday today. I love you. See you around. Bye-bye. God bless you.
Hello sa lahat! I just want to greet a happy birthday to Ate Helen in Germany. Happy birthday, Ate Helen in Germany. Ate Helen, isang taon na tayong magkaibigan sa YT World. Kaya congratulations, isang taon na tayo sa YT. Happy birthday to you. I just want to say, my wish for you is good health and more blessing. Kaya enjoy lang sa ating pagwa-YT, Ate Helen, kasi itong ating stress reliever. Kaya enjoy lang. Happy birthday to you. God bless you and your family. Kaya happy birthday. God bless you more. Bye-bye.
And hello, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Magandang araw sa mga nanonood nito at mga kakapanood pa. Magandang umaga, tanghali, gabi, good night sa inyong lahat, good morning night, kung ano man yan. Siyempre, gusto kong batiin ngayong araw na to ang nag-iisang songbird, song diva ng Divatlog family. Walang iba kundi ang aming nag-iisang nanay na magaling na kumanta. Yan ay walang iba kundi si Mami Helen in Germany. Another year, another life. Thanks be to God. Ang wish ko sa iyo, Mami, is sana mas maging healthy. Huwag kalimutan na inumin ng mga vitamins. And laging kakain sa tamang oras. Laging paalala yan ng iyong panganing na anak. At syempre, gusto kong, alam mo na yung dream ko para sa Vivatlog family. And syempre, it's more happier pag nandun kayong dalawa ni Mami Angel of Labason. Just enjoy the day, seize the moment, and never forget to say thank you that another year, another life, another chance in life. More candles to blow, more cakes to slice. And enjoy the rest of the day, Mami, sa iyong birthday. Isang happy birthday. And alam mo yan, Mami, I love you kayong dalawa ni Mami Angel of Labason. Alam mo kung gaano ko kayo kamahal and kung gaano yung pag-aalala ko lalo na sa iyong kalusugan. Siyempre, tayo ay bumabata. But anyway, happy birthday again, Mami. Birthday na ni Helen. Birthday na ni Helen in Germany. Let's get out. Ayan, sana ma-enjoy mo to, Mami, and enjoy the rest of the day. Ayan, happy birthday again, Mami. I love you more, Mami. See ya!
Ayan, hello, Mami Helen. Happy birthday po sa'yo. My only wish for you is to have good health, happiness, and long life. Kahit uugod-ugod na tayo, mag-whitey pa rin tayo. At kakanta pa rin tayo. Magja-jamming pa rin tayo. Happy birthday, Mami. Don't ever change. Hindi kompleto yung araw natin sa isa't isa kung hindi tayo nagkukumustahan. Love you. Ingat ka po parang. And sana po, now and forever, yung friendship natin, hindi lang sa YT hanggang sa real life. Always pray for the guidance of the Lord, and I'm always praying for your happiness, for your long life and good health. Love you, Mommy. Take care of yourself always. Love you so much. Don't ever change. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hulugang, I just want to say happy birthday. Napakasaya ko na naging kapatid kita. Alam mo yun. Ayaw ko umiyak ka, ha? Kasi today is your birthday, wag kang umiyak. salamat talaga na naging kapatid kita. Hindi lang sa mabait kang kapatid, pagmahal, at simulat sa pool, palagi tayong nagkasama. Ikaw yung partner in crime ko, ikaw yung makausap ko sa kahit anong bagay pwede natin pag-usapan. Maraming salamat. Ako ay nagpasalamat sa Panginoon na naging kapatid kita, at sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahaba pang buhay at mag-enjoy ka pa sa pag-YT. Alam ko na maraming paghihirap na nadaanan, pero huwag mawala ng pag-asa, continue ka sa iyong pag-YT. Alam ko, therapy o naging masaya ka dito sa pag-YT. Nakikita ko yung pagbabago na yung buhay, ganyan. Kaya, I'm very happy and I'm very proud of you being a sister of me. At maraming salamat dahil sa'yo, nakapasok din ako dito sa YT World, di ba? Ikaw yung pinupost ko, mag-YT ka gang, mag-YouTuber ka, para mag-iba naman yung takbo na yung buhay, para masaya or may ibang takbo na yung buhay, mag-iba naman, ganon. At nung nakapasok ka na, dinala mo rin ako. Ayoko talaga sana, kasi at my age, ayoko sana talaga. Hindi ko naman inaakala talaga na maging YouTuber din ako. So, praise the Lord, nandito tayong dalawa. So, nandito tayo, hand-in-hand pa rin, kahit ano, di ba? Nandito tayong dalawa. At maraming salamat sa lahat-lahat ng mga inspiration na binigay mo sa ating pamilya, sa akin, ganyan. Maging, yung naging best friend ko. Hindi lang kapatid, kundi best friend. Maraming salamat kang. I love you so much, alam mo yan. At sana, bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahaba pang buhay, na yung mga pangarap mo, makamtan mo. Just cling to God, dahil there's nothing impossible by God. Alam mo yan. Sinasabi ko yan lagi. 100% faith, 100% trust in Him, at kahit anong bigat, maging magaan yan. Ayoko naman mag-sermon dito. Hindi, kasi lang, mahal kita talaga, sa totoo lang. Mahal kita talaga gang, not just a sister, at naging kapartner ko dito sa YouTube, kundi sa lahat-lahat talaga. Mahal kita. Sana bigyan ka ni Lord ng magandang kalusugan lagi at mag-enjoy ka pa dito sa ating mga ginagawa ngayon as a YouTuber. Kantahan, ganyan, tawanan, kulitan, diba? Dahil dito sa ating grupo, sa Family Bebetlog, masaya tayo. Kung pwede lang hindi tayo maghiwalay, kung wala lang sakit yung likod mo, hindi ka pa hihinto sa pagkakanta, gano'n. Kaso lang yung likod ay hindi na kuminsanan. Kaya maraming salamat sa iyo, gang. Dahil nga sa dahil sa dito sa pag-YouTube, naging din yung yun ang parang relaxing moment ko talaga yung pagkanta, gano'n. Kasabi mo nga, kapatid ko talaga, grabe, gano'n. Ilang oras na dyan nakaupo, hindi nagsusurrender yung Kaya kasi masaya ako eh. Kaya maraming salamat, gang, dahil sa'yo, nandito ako sa YT World, dahil sa'yo. Thank you so much. I love you, gang. I wish you a happy, healthy birthday. Alles Gute. Viel Gesundheit. Ein langes Leben. And herzlichen Glückwunsch. Happy birthday. Malipayong adlaw natawhan, gang. I'm very proud sister here. I love you. God bless you. Ayokong umiyak ka, kaya ayoko ring iyak dito. Kasi birthday mo ito. Gusto kong masaya kayo. Gusto kong mapaligaya kita kahit sa araw na ito. antayin mo mga surprises pa na darating para sa'yo. Okay, I love you gang. God bless. Happy, happy birthday. Mwah.
Hello, Mami Helen. Kamusta? Ayan. Ngayon, oras na ng dibo mo. Maraming salamat. At syempre, sa mga kasayahan tuwing lagi tayo magkakasama sa screen, maraming salamat. Dahil special day mo ngayon, i-wish lang kita. Okay? Wish ko sa'yo, lagi kang maging masaya, lagi kang maging enjoy sa lahat ng mga ginagawa mo. Sabi nga nila iwanan mo yung mga worries mo sa buhay. Dapat enjoy to the fullest. Yun ang pinakamasarap na gawin natin sa buhay natin. Diba? Ayun yun. Happy birthday sa'yo. More birthdays to come. Good health. And of course, God bless you. Nandito lang ang Vetlog family. Nandito ako para kung ano man ang kailangan ninyo, kailangan mo, pasakaya ko syempre, ibibigay. Maraming salamat. More birthdays to come. Always be healthy and happy. Thank you. Love ya.
Hi, Len. Happy birthday. I wish you more birthdays to come. Dahil magkita pa sa Pinas. I miss you so much and I always love you. Mwah, mwah.
Hi, Mama! Happy birthday sa akong pinangga na iyaan, pinakabuutan, pinakamangihatagon, pinaka-understanding. Ikaw na ang pinaka sa tanan. Daghang salamat sa imong kaayo, sa imong kaayo diri kanako, sa imong pagpangka diri kanako, uban sa akong mga ginikanan ug mga igsuon ako magpasalamaton kanimong dako tungod isa ka sa mga rason nga ug unsa may naabot nako karon, ug unsay naana ko karon tungod ni isa ka sa nakapahimo nako niini Mama. Isa ka sa nakatabang nako para human kog eskwela para makuha nako ang akong mga pangandoy Ma. Thank you. And yeah, being independent Ma, dili ko may ani kung wala ako makauman, kung wala ako ko'y naabot. So daghang kayong salamat Ma, and daghang salamat po sa imong pagpangga agad ni Mama, ni managsita nimo, pagpangga nimo sa akong mga igsuon Ma. And ayaw kalimot na naara ko para nimo uban sa akong pamilya. And palangga kay kanako Ma, palangga ka na mo ni Andre, palangga pud ka sa akong pamilya, kabaludjud ka ni ana Ma. Okay. Happy birthday Ma, and I wish you more blessings pa mo abot, and especially good health Ma. Tagaan pa ka ni Lord ug taas nga kinabuhi para mauban pa nimo taas silang Mama, silang Papa Manfred, Ingay, Dennis, and most especially si JM. So enjoy your birthday Mama. Love you. Thank you so much sa tanan. God bless and stay safe. Amping mo diha kanunay Ma. We love you all. Love you so much. Mwah. Love you. Hi, Mama. Happy birthday again. And na ako'y kanta na ipahinungod nimo. I hope malipay ka ni Anima. So, happy birthday. Love you. each passing day. You've come so far, don't throw it away. Live believing, dreams are for weaving, wonders are waiting to start. Live your story, faith, hope, and glory. Hold to the truth in your heart. If we hold on together, I know our dreams will never die. Dreams see us through to forever, where clouds roll by. For you and I, souls in the wind must learn how to bend. Seek a star, hold on to the end. Valley, mountain, there is a fountain, washes our tears all away. Words are swaying, someone is praying, please let us come home to stay. If we hold on together, I know our dreams will never die. Dreams see us through to forever, where clouds roll by. For you and I, when we're all are there in the dark, we'll dream about the sun. In the dark, we'll feel the light, warm our hearts, everyone. If we hold on together, I know our dreams will never die. Dreams see us through to forever, as high as souls can fly. The clouds roll high for you and I. Happy birthday, Ma. Love you. Mwah. Hi Ma, napa ko yung song na i-dedicate ni mo. I hope you will like it. So, I will just try to sing this song for you, Mama. This is one of your favorite songs, I think. That's what friends are for. It's for you. And I never thought I'd feel this way. As far as I concerned, I'm glad I get the chance to say that I do believe I love you. And if I should ever go away, well then close your eyes and try to feel the way we do today. And then if you can't remember, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for good times and bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Hey Mama, looking, loving me, and now there's so much more I see. And so by the way, I thank you on them for the times when we're apart. Well then close your eyes and know the words are coming from my heart. And then if you can't remember, sorry, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for. In good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for good times and bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for good times and bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Love you, Ma.
This song is for you, Ma. Happy birthday. We love you. I was down and feeling so low. You took my hand and eased my mind. I was astray, you used me the way, and now I finally found my home in you. I still recall the times I've been through, confused and didn't know what to do. I almost gave up, but you gave me hope. You made me strong as the days went on. You made me live again. I was lost in the dark with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along, you took me home and made me your own. You're always there to lend a helping hand when good friends are hard to find. When things went wrong, you made me right. You made my day so bright. You made me live again. I was lost in the dark, with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along, you took me home and made me your own. Now look at me, this different me, back on my feet again. I'm not afraid to face the world again, 'cause you taught me how to be strong. You made me live again. You made me live again.
Happy birthday, love! Love you!
Alles Gute zum Geburtstag! Alles Liebe und Gute auch von mir zum Geburtstag, Tante Ellen. Hab dich ganz doll lieb. Alles Gute beim Geburtstag! Happy Birthday! Alles Gute, Happy Birthday! Happy Birthday!
I wish you have a great day today and the year ahead is full of many blessings. Happy birthday, Ninang.
Hi, wishing you the happiest and the brightest day ever. Happy birthday.
Hi, Tita Helen. I hope that this birthday turns out to be the most exciting one for you. I wish you good health and healthy life. God bless and happy birthday to you.
Hi there! On this day, I hope you will be happy, and in the days to come, I wish for you unceasing happiness. Happy birthday, and may you have a healthy life ahead. God bless and take care. We love you always.
Hi, Nina! I hope you have a fabulous day and be sure to eat an extra slice of cake for me. Happy birthday and God bless.